Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be walking us through on how we can participate in the Dflow Airdrop. So Dflow is a Solana protocol that enables the creation of decentralized order flow markets. And for this airdrop activity, we'll be engaging in the early access program where participants will be rewarded through the Dflow XP campaign. So for the airdrop engagement, we'll be needing our Phantom wallet, our Discord, and we'll also be needing our web browser. Let's get started. So first off, you open up your web browser and input the URL link dflow.net. This URL will be provided in the caption below. So once the website opens up, we'll need to create an account to claim our rewards. And to do this, you tap on login/sign up, and then you input the email address you want to use. And I'll be using the smcdao@gmail.com. So once you input your email address, you tap on continue. Alright, and then you'll be required to enter the confirmation code. Okay, so we head over to our email address and see if the confirmation code is in. Alright, so the confirmation code is 901675. So we input that it is 901675. Alright, so wait for this to process. Okay. Alright, wait for this to load up. Ensure you have your Phantom wallet set up. Download your Phantom wallet and set it up. Alright, so the account has been created, and this is my auto-generated username, which can change in my account whenever I'd like. And I can tap on secure account beneath and then enter password. Ensure to write your password down. It's really important because it's stated here that to proceed, please select a strong, memorable password to secure your account. You can use your password to recover your account if you lose your current device. Your password cannot be reset after sign up. This is not a situation whereby you tap on forgot password and you reset your password. Whatever password you're using to set up this account must be remembered. It's as good as your seed phrase. So forgetting your password can lead to loss of funds. So ensure to set a good password. And for this tutorial purpose, I'll be using the password 123456. Then I'll also be confirming the password again. Alright, so set password. Okay, so let's wait for this to load up. Alright, so the password is set and our private key has also been given. So ensure to copy your password, save it, copy your private key as well, and save it in a safe place. It's imperative, guys, that you save your private key in a safe place. So copy it, copy this, and save it. So you tap on check this box. I understand losing this means losing the ability to access my account, and then you tap on continue. Alright, great. Our account has been secured and I have complete custody over my funds. So Dflow neither saves your password nor can access your private key. Never share this with anyone as they will control your account. Alright, so we just close this box and then we input code. Enter your code to claim mystery XP rewards. Alright guys, so I've gotten an invite code, and don't worry, once you're creating your account, invite codes will also be provided for you guys in the caption below. And if invite codes are exhausted, just put a comment in the comment section that you need an invite code, and I'm certain that someone will be available to drop invite codes for you. So once you get your invite code, you tap on redeem invite code, and this is the one last step. We need to fund account to earn Dflow XP. So depositors will get early access to Dflow. The more and earlier you deposit, the more XP you will earn. And withdrawing funds during the phase 0 will reset your XP. This means any decrease in account balance at any point. Alright guys, so here we're required to fund our accounts. Minimum account should fund should be $5, and you would see eligible tokens. Once you tap on see eligible tokens, you see the tokens that you can fund, but it's advisable to just fund Solana. However, there are other tokens that you can fund with their addresses, respective addresses, and this is your address, right? This is your Solana address. So you can either scan the QR code or copy the address and send funds into this wallet. Okay, so now we can also import, because earlier when we were registering, we were given a private key. So we need to import our wallet. So we can just get our private key and import our wallet. And to do this, you just tap on this menu icon here, and then you tap on your export private key. Once you just tap on it, you'll be required to copy your private key, and once you copy your private key, you head over to your Phantom wallet. So let's do this. You just head over to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so wait for the Phantom wallet to open up, and then you just tap on add wallet, and then you tap on import private key. Then you name it. You can name this Dflow SMC. Okay, and then you paste your private key, then you paste and you import. Tap on import, and then your wallet will be imported. Okay guys, so what we need to do now, if it's easier for you to fund your wallet this way, you can always just, you can see that the address, if you tap on receive, you can see that the address here, GBHXYENHK, is the same with the address you have on the site as well. So if you just close this, you'd see that it's the same address, right? So I'll be funding my wallet now with $5, and I'll be right back to this video. Alright, so we've created our wallet with $5 worth of Solana. So we head back to the website, and you can see that our balance has also reflected. However, please note that the balance doesn't really reflect immediately. You would require to wait for about 5 to 15 minutes thereabouts for the balance to reflect. So kindly exercise some patience, or you just keep refreshing until the balance reflects. Alright guys, so another thing I wanted to let you guys know is once you tap on see eligible tokens, you can tap on balance here to just see the balance that you have in the Solana token. You can tap on history, you'd see that it would show you when you received the token that you deposited. You can always deposit more and more tokens if you have funds. Alright, and also you can see here that I said your deposit will appear here. Balance will update within 5 to 10 minutes, like I earlier mentioned. If you tap on address, you can always see your Solana address on here as well. And also it says the more and earlier you deposit, the more XP you earn. Withdrawing funds will reset your XP. Please take this into consideration, guys. Alright, so now that we have done all of that, so we have the XP reward available now, and you can see that this tab has been highlighted, claim XP reward. So you just tap on claim XP reward, and the amount of rewards that you're eligible for will come up, and you can see your total XP earned is 17. Another thing I wanted to let you guys know is that you can also tap on follow on X. It takes you to the Twitter page where you can follow their accounts, and then you can also join the Discord. You tap on join Discord, you head over to the Discord server. Let's just wait for it to come up. You accept the invite, and then you probably just gain access. Done reading, check out invite codes. Okay, so on Discord you can also get invite codes on Discord. As you can see, a lot of persons have posted invite codes, so there's our invite codes in excess, in abundance. So invite codes are readily available. Alright guys, so once you're done with all of this, you can always go through the server, check announcements. If you want to keep up with the project, you can always read all the information that the devs are working on or the community is talking about. Alright, so once we're done with all of this, just tap on X, and also once you claim your XP reward, you can see that it says you can deposit more. You just tap on deposit, and then you make a deposit. And also you can always generate your own invite code. You tap on generate invite code, and your invite code will be generated. This is a code that's available at the moment, so you can always share this invite code and generate more invite codes as you wish. Alright guys, so this is the step-by-step process on how to engage in the Dflow airdrop. Ensure to engage in this, guys. Okay guys, I hope this video has been helpful. ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that someone will be able to attend to you. Thank you for watching, and turn on that post notification bells for more educative content like this. See you in our next video.